give me the next gift.
Are you my new friend?
I wanted a dog.
No! It's so scary here. And I'm hungry. I need to hide. This is my spot. But where do I go? It's so cold here.
Yikes! You need to go to the hospital. We need a doctor. This cat is dying. Get in line. But that's Hello Kitty. She is beautiful. Aww. You can go ahead. Thanks. Put these on. We're in a rush. Fill this out. We need help. How do you even fit all this?
Put it back.
Hello.
Your buddy is perfectly healthy.
Thanks.
She's very sick. She needs to warm up. Weak pulse. Will this help? It'll give us some more time. Something's not letting her breathe. She has a bone in her throat. No wonder she's not feeling well. Gross. We're losing her. More power. Again. It's not helping. Thanks, Captain Obvious. What are you doing? Making a call.
Who called me?
I did.
Allow me to introduce myself. I am Death.
Help us bring her back.
She's coming with me.
I have something better.
I don't need money.
Just a sec. You're so dumb.
Fine. I'll make an exception.
Did I fall asleep?
Finally. Thank you. Oh no! Don't worry, this just happens.
Thank you for saving me.
Hello, Kitty, you're the best.
I love you.
Hey, I'm the one who saved the cat. She's just pretty. Now we'll take care of you. What do you mean, we? She needs all her lives back. That's your problem. But if you help me transform, I'll help you with the cat. Deal. We'll doll you up in no time. Ouch! Oh, much better. Let's break them up. What's wrong?
I'm itchy.
I think she needs help. Of course! She's covered in parasites. I have just the thing.
I feel better already. Now that's even better.
Beautiful. She got a second life. Perfect. Don't do that again. Just wait here. I'll take care of the cat.
She's so caring.
You look much better. She thinks so too. Ugh, that stinks. I don't smell anything. I don't feel so good. Ew. I think I know what's up. This special toothpaste will get rid of your cavities and bad breath. We gotta make sure you're healthy.
You're nuts.
My turn. What happened? Oh. You got really tired. You have such beautiful teeth. They've always looked like this. While you were lazing around, I got another laugh for your cat. Wow, you're the best. You didn't forget about our deal, did you? Of course not. Next up, washing your face. I don't like this. Beauty is pain. Blech. She messed up my stuff. You need a nail trim. I don't think she's in a good mood. You just have to be gentle with her. Ouch! I have a better idea.
No fair.
It doesn't even hurt. And now your claws look pretty. Yours could use some attention too. I'm not letting you near my claws. Don't worry, it won't hurt a bit. Almost done. Beautiful. Wow. I told you so. What do you think? Gorgeous. Forgetting something? Thank you. I have something else for you. I don't like surprises. You like this? Hurry up, I can't see. Patience. Wow. Now that's better. Great job. Now what?
I'm hungry.
Is she trying to say something?
Feed me.
You want cuddles? Maybe she feels sick? She's hungry! Starving. I have all kinds of food. Oh no! No, no, no! All the food is gone! Maybe she ate it. She needs more.
Food.
Hello, we're here for a checkup. Next time.
Nothing in here either. Hello, viewers. We need more food. Like this video so we can feed the cat. We need more. Guys, we need more kibble. Please help or she'll eat us. Thank you.
Delicious.
She must have been hungry forever. A hungry cat is more dangerous than a tiger. You got another life. I didn't get anything. We need to give you a bright look. I have nothing to work with. Not my problem. That's perfect. You're my little helper. Where are you getting all this? One last touch and you'll be flawless. Wow. Oh, sorry. Ready to see the new you? I'm beautiful. You're the best. Keep it cool. We're not friends. Not bad. But now we need to fix my hair. Sure thing. That fast?
Hello.
Keep the change.
Oh, no need. It's on the house.
Typical. Let's do your hair. How is it? Let's try again. What's so funny? We'll fix it. Perfect. I told you I had it all under control. What are you doing? This is a gift for our cat.
Oh, good.
Let's add rhinestones too. Does it look good? That's better. We're almost done. I've been waiting for this forever. Shopping!
I want to try.
She wants new clothes too. I'll think of something. The next outfit. Time to break out the big guns.
What a pretty collar! I'm so stylish!
That's weird. We did everything. We're just missing one last thing. This is for you. You did it!
Gotta go!
Hey, where are you going? Wait, what do I do?
See you soon!
Where'd that cat go? Thanks. You're in charge of the clinic for now. I think it's time for me to go on vacation. I need help! My cat's in labor! That's great! Congratulations! Is there a doctor here? I can help you. Let's check out the kittens. Gosh, that's a lot of kittens.
Twins running our family!
Stay calm and focus on your breathing.
Okay!
This is not meant for you. Get out of the way. The labor went well. Cutie pies. There are more.
What?
Wow. Another one. Is that it? Mom and this kitten need some postpartum care. I'll grab them later.
Help! My kitty's sick!
I don't feel so good.
We can fix him right away.
It's cold.
Let's check the heart rate.
We were just playing, and then he got sick!
I'm so exhausted. I'll take a nap and we can keep on playing.
Stay awake! Oh no! Save him! Gotta get his heart rate back up.
My kitty!
I'm not a quitter.
It's not doing anything!
We need adrenaline. Oh no! We're out! Hit the like button so we can save our kitty.
We really need likes!
Please, help save my cat! Hurry up, we're running out of time!
Thanks a million!
I'm ready to play. Whew, I'm dizzy.
In order to get better, you should take vitamins.
Okay.
It'll take 20 minutes.
I'm still feeling bad.
I know what the problem is.
Is it curable?
Yeah.
Ugh! What's that?
That's not mine.
These are ticks. They're contagious.
Parasites don't belong here.
There, keep brushing. All the ticks are gone.
I feel like a whole new animal.
Yay!
Let's treat the fur so they don't come back.
Sounds good.
Do this once a month so your kitty won't get bitten.
Thanks a bunch.
You're an amazing doctor.
Oops.
I'll never be able to afford my dream. Wow. Make a cup of coffee and take care of my hamster. He's making weird noises. Okay, businesswoman. What on earth is she talking about? Sorry? Hey, where'd it go? Let's see what you're made of. That looks nothing like food. We'll have to get rid of it. I'm so sorry.
It's been forever since I last talked.
You can't eat stuff like that. Bad hamster.
I'm not bad, she is. She won't give me any food.
Oh, really? Let's swap. Ew, is this trash? I'll see you in court. You gotta watch what your pet is eating.
Yeah, and feed him on time.
You mean me? I just have a lot on my plate. I totally forgot about food. Here's a list of hamster foods.
The more, the better.
What? Okay. Do this again, and I'll call the cops on you. As for now, you owe us $1,000. It won't happen again. You have my word.
Help me get rid of that!
What exactly do you mean? The green things. Oh.
They cause less trouble than the rest!
I was trying to take one off, but she bit me. That's bad. Not a big deal. I'm made of plastic. Why would you put that much stuff on a dog? She's uncomfortable.
I told her, but she won't listen!
We'll get rid of it right now.
Yay! Freedom!
A collar and a leash, nothing else. I got the point. You're a doctor/stylist. Hello, how can I help you? Sorry, is there any chance you could stop by? I'm in trouble. Coming. Yep, this is the place. It's summer. Thanks for coming. No! You don't want to chew on wires. They're dangerous. But what do you do if your teeth are huge? Ooh. Chew on a tree. It'll help. Thanks, Summer! But I'm broke. In that case, I'll take this lamp. The lamp is worth more than the piece of wood I gave her. You hungry?
Yeah, starving.
Here, you need it more than I do.
Thanks.
Why do you tickle me?
So you'd wake up. I have an appointment at 12.
Oops. That's right. What seems to be the problem?
The fact that everyone has a boyfriend, and yet I don't.
Oh, you gotta see a therapist. Here's a patient for you.
Summer, don't you want to go for a walk?
Oh, right. I'll leave you to it.
What seems to be the problem?
I don't have a boyfriend.
You might meet a nice guy soon.
I don't think so.
I said, you might meet a nice guy soon. There. Give me a smile. One more. What's happening? Where did this come from? I believe your significant other is right around the corner.
It's not like he's gonna walk into the room right now.
This is my office, and this is a therapist's office. Go say hi.
Hi. Miss, would you like to go on a date with me?
It's a yes!
You know where to find me. Are you a doctor?
I am.
Cooper's ear got ripped off.
We can't waste a single second. You'll be helping me.
But I don't know how.
Put the mask on the nose.
All right.
Not your nose, the dog's. No heart rate.
It won't help.
Clear. It didn't. Gotta try again. Clear.
I'm saying it won't work.
The device must be broken. It's working. Gotta take the costume off. Is that a fake dog?
I didn't get a chance to tell you.
You did this on purpose.
Oops. I'm allergic to dogs. Cooper feels so real to me. It's so sad he has no ear.
Whatever, I'll fix his ear. It's gonna cost you a fortune, though.
Deal.
Hand over the ear.
Oh, right. It was right here. Hands down. The best vet ever.
I'm just doing my job.
Let's go celebrate.
The things you do for a dream. Finally, it's lunchtime. I'll call Kaylee. She always forgets lunch. Kaylee, did you eat the sandwich I made?
I will when I'm done brushing the cat.
I'll get it.
Okay, I'll leave you to it.
Kitty cat, where are you? He scratched me.
You're the reason he's covered in tape.
Take this thing off me.
Fair point.
Stop twitching, or I'm giving you a shot.
No shots.
One more.
I thought it would be like that forever.
I'm so sorry I let you down.
Get him a treat and make up.
Treats!
That's who destroyed my office.
This is my dog, Sorry. Sit. Hello.
What seems to be the problem?
I can't. He can't eat. Watch this. Where's the snack? Here.
If you ask me, the problem's entirely different. Come on. Let's check your eyes. What do you see here?
A ball.
Fine. What's this?
A stick. Doc, what does that mean?
Things are worse than I expected. What's this?
It's a cat. Come here. Is this forever?
Eyes are fixable.
Now I can see. Thanks a bunch.
Help my kitty! Fine, just calm down. Where's your cat?
I don't know! He's missing!
I think I can come out. This fish is gross. Hey! Are you ready for a knuckle sandwich? You'll have to catch me first. Gotcha! all that noise? Knock it off! Poor thing. So cute. Good puppies. She's crying out for help. Clear. Again. Clear. What's up with me? I'm not a quitter. Hopefully it helps. Yummy! Thanks! Yay! We did it!
I got it all on camera.
Good girl! That's not it yet! Yeah, we need to restore it completely. Gotta take off. And you, slackers, babysit the cat. No problem.
I can shoot videos while I'm at it.
If anything happens to her, you'll be cleaning up cages until you die. I guess I'll clean up.
So stink and yet so small. Court, you owe me. She's all glammed up for a shoot. Where is she?
Court, look what I can do. Watch out!
You scared the life out of us.
We have to make a house for her.
Good idea. Wow. Not bad.
We don't need that. Welcome. I'll level up compared to my old home.
You may take a bath. Say hello to our viewers.
Since you were into climbing, you should like it. You know a thing or two about having fun. Food! Why didn't you just say so? This should last you a while. She's just hungry, that's it. Yummy! Quite an appetite.
Bon appetit. Anything for the new star.
I like this guy. Are you nuts? This is no good.
She's still hungry.
Kittens don't know when to stop. She might have too much and get sick.
And eventually Jade's gonna kill me.
You gotta make servings. I think staying fit is a good idea.
Great info for my page. Now get closer to the cat and say it into the camera. She ran off. Hold on.
Catch her!
Not so fast. Vampires only.
I need my cat.
No.
Please!
We are together. Get out of my way. Why is it always me?
We're back!
Courtney.
That was fun! It was, but don't do it again.
What happened to you?
I'll show you. I got turned into a vampire and I was scared, but the cats were so sweet. We danced and had fun.
How did you become a human again?
It hasn't been for the first time. We have a customer.
But...
Welcome.
Hey! Not funny.
How can we be of help? Give me a second. Let's play.
Now that's funny.
What a spoiled cat. Another toy. Excuse me. Andy, you can't let Kitty play with the hands.
I mean, she literally attacked him.
We have to switch her attention then. A glove can be a great toy. A brand new toy! I love it! Look, she got another life.
Yeah, I see that. So what do you think of this toy? Nah. The toy was for sale. I'm so dead.
No doubt. Good luck. Pleasure working with you.
No!
Kidding. We can easily fix that. Let's give it an upgrade. Even better than before. I love all my toys.
Phew, I owe you one.
Yummy! And the new house is just stunning. Thanks a bunch. She said thanks.
I mean, we gotta thank her for the great videos. Kittens are the cutest.
They sure are.